Hi, lovely people. This is Health, Fitness, and Beauty channel. We bring you anything you need to know about your health, your fitness, and your beauty. These three are very important in every human being's life. As far as you are not dead and you are still living, this channel is created to give you the tips about how to keep your body, your health, and how to make your body beautiful and naturally. This is Health, Fitness, and Beauty. Do well to subscribe for more updates about your health, about the exercise you do, and about the food you eat. Anything we bring to you is from experts who are working in various categories of health, fitness, and beauty. If you want to know anything about your health, fitness, and beauty, then you are the right place. All you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media handles so that whenever we bring a new update, you'll be the first person to know. And don't forget to share to your family and friends so that they will know the good news. Make sure you do whatever we teach you here very well so that you know the benefit of our teachings. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and stay blessed. As you continue to do all this every morning, you will see changes in yourself. This is Health, Fitness, and Beauty channel. Do well to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.